thank you very much to joining this webinar. And we are sure that this webinar is going to be worthy for everyone. And I'm just getting hands raised. So I think now I've got enough hands raised. So I think we can start now. So for those who have just joined, I welcome you once again. So let's begin. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about future of mCommerce, product offerings and services of MobiCommerce, and extensive features that MobiCommerce offers, like quick app building facility, easy to manage admin panel, customizable homepage designer tool, and many more. So before we start, would like to share few interesting things about MobiCommerce. MobiCommerce is a leading ready-to-publish mobile app platform, and we build shopping Android and iOS mobile app within just 48 hours. No coding skills required, no developer hiring. As a product, MobiCommerce is a 3-year-old venture which is backed by Rightway Solution, comprising many industry leaders. And Rightway Solution started off in the year of 2003 when it served merchants in web and e-commerce development. Today, we are servicing merchants worldwide with our successful software products, and MobiCommerce being one of them. So now we will quickly check shift of e-commerce towards mCommerce, and we'll also check advantages of mCommerce over e-commerce. We'll check few interesting facts about mCommerce, and in all of these, how is MobiCommerce associated with mCommerce. So let's start, and allow me to explain how actually e-commerce is shifting towards the mCommerce. And I will start with one easy question. Wouldn't it sound reasonable if I say that carrying a smartphone is as important as wearing shoes when walking out? Indeed, it's true, because mobile devices have transformed the way we perform our day-to-day activities and how we communicate to consumers and companies alike. And also, the entire global mCommerce economy has been anticipated to reach 100 billion USD by this year. Well, I believe this is all happening because probably mCommerce has no topographical boundary, has concrete and excellent business opportunities to achieve over the e-commerce ROI, and it also offers on-the-fly shopping facility. And of course, we should not forget its mobile-first era. So we just saw that why e-commerce is quickly shifting towards mCommerce. Now I'll showcase some helpful facts about mCommerce. Let's start. So in a country like Japan, where 89% of Japanese consumers purchase online using their mobile device, so the total population of Japan is 120 million, so more than 100 million shop through their smartphones. The same ratio in UK is 45%, and in entire European zone, 20% of smartphone users use their device for shopping, use their mobile device for shopping actually. By this year, by 2017, about 70% of online buyers will make a purchase on a mobile device. 78% of retailers plan to invest in mCommerce right this year. And globally, there are over 1.2 billion people accessing the web from their mobile device. And 57% of users says that they won't recommend a website, a business, with a poorly designed mobile website. So it's important to have a better mobile presence. Amazon says every 100 millisecond increases in load, that time decreases sales by 10%. Now I'll share two very important facts coming from Google, and it says that 41% have turned to a competitor's sites after a bad mobile experience. And another fact that says that not having a better mobile optimized website is like closing your store one day each week. So far, we have checked how and why industry is quickly moving towards mCommerce with some obvious facts and advantages. We will now see where MobiCommerce stands in the world of mCommerce and how we can help you to achieve a better mobile business. MobiCommerce is a complete mCommerce solution, and from building shopping mobile apps to progressive web apps, mobile website, later we will also go in details about our entire product offerings and services. We quickly create Android and iOS shopping apps with enterprise level features to immediately boost your sales. And within this last 3 years, through our platform, we have built more than 5,000 apps. And yes, our apps are completely secured and encrypted. There is no middleware used. This is to make your every mobile transaction completely secure. We also offer industry expertise consultancy to help you gauge the market and strategize accordingly. With our trusted and proven solution, we are serving more than 40 countries. With this, we do contribute and develop mCommerce community through our robust platform. Now, I would like to ask, if as a merchant, as a shop owner, as a store owner, if you wanted to build your own app, what are the core challenges involved in that? For any merchant, I would say in this immense competition, it's much challenging building an app which can offer you interactive user interface, acceptable user experience, performance, important, seamless connectivity with your website. App should be connected perfectly with your website, and the security as well. And very important, and it should all be under the budget and in the appropriate timeline, because you can't afford to spend many months and so many bucks to get your shopping app done. So we understand these challenges. That's why we have built this resilient platform. With MobiCommerce, you get full-fledged shopping apps quickly and affordably. Now it's time to go to the MobiCommerce product tour, where to see how our app look like and how easily you can manage it from your own website admin panel itself. So let me show you that. Before, we'll check how our app look like actually. So you can see this is our app. This is our sample application, and I'm using a phone and controlling on the screen, so you can see what our app experiences actually look like. This is the logo, and these are the banners, the shopping categories, the complete homepage, search bar, the main category, CMS pages, links of your social networks, cart page, product detail. Let's see the listing. This is the listing page, views, filters, sorting, checkout page, and so on. So interactive. Fine. So now we'll check. Now you can assume that this is your app, and both Android and iOS app will be synced, will be 100% synced with your store. So it means all of your inventories, customers, categories, products, discount rules, shipping methods will be fully synced with the app automatically. And in all of this, there is no dependency. It's your app. You can control it and host it in your server. You can directly manage it from your admin panel. You don't need to go to the separate panel to manage this application. You can manage entire app right from your website admin panel. So you can see that I've already opened the typical PrestaShop backend module. You can see the panel, and this is the MobiCommerce module. Now quickly I'll show you. If you first install our extension, all you need to just click here, fill this simple form, just request us. Your app will be created within few minutes, and your created app will be listed here, just like this. I've created one application to share better understanding about the same. So now I'm going to show you, and I'll change few things, and we'll see how they propagate across the app. So just click on add it. Now you can see at the moment I'm using the blue indigo color scheme. I'll change it to any other color and let's see how it reflects easily in our app. Now you have an option here to choose the secondary color. It's deep orange, discount and rating color, it's a green. And I'll show you where these secondary color and discount colors exist in that application. So let me just click on save button. All right. I'll just refresh my app. Meantime, it's loading. I would like to share one important fact regarding our color scheme. Actually, we're using with our application, it's a material design. It's created and designed by Google. And material design is a design language that combines the classic principles of successful design, and it also develops a system of designs that delivers a unified user experience across the entire mobile platform. So it's very important because interface is brand and design is everything. So now we have fully integrated this material design with MobiCommerce, and you can also see in the app the reflection, purple color. Now I'll show you where those discount and secondary colors are existing. Now you can see this is the deep orange, this is the secondary color. Now this wishlist and rating button is for the choosing the color for wishlist and sharing option. Now what we'll do, we'll see how easily you can manage the home page with our backend module itself. So in short, you can see this home page. It's a complete blank canvas and you can draw whatever you wanted to draw with the help of our widget system. And widget system will help you to do this without any technical assistant. So one of widget, you can see this is widget. You can add banners here, and this is the shopping category. And by default, it's a listing. If you wanted to change it, you can change it to grid. You can change it to slider. You can change it to banner as well. You can choose which category you wanted to show. It's an advanced settings. You can change it from there as well. This is the product blocks, image widgets, right? To let you away to give you more information, would like to show you add one widget there, right there. So I've already created that widget, but for you I'm just going to activate it. So upload a beautiful image in our widget just like this. I've already done. So you can see this, follow the fashion, and deep link it with category or any images. I'm just going to give it status as yes, and I'm just clicking it save. All right, it's done. Let me refresh. All right, so we'll see that widget. All right, that's here. Fine. So you can see this image widget is here. So how easily you can just add an image and that will be here. And the same way you can add numbers of widgets. At the moment we're supporting image slider, category, product listing, and image. So overall, you can manage the entire home page from your backend module itself without any technical or developer assistance. Now I'm going to show you a very interesting part of this things. I'm going to show you the advanced settings. Advanced settings is actually really advanced because it allows you to control features. Yes, I'm talking about features. So right this panel you can manage the features. I think I clicked it the wrong way. Let me just go back. All right. Just go to again the edit mobile apps. Now advanced settings. Right. So we are here. So this option will allow you to control your features exist in the application, and what are those features are. So you can see here wish list. If you wanted to hide that wish list option, you just see that it's here in the wish list. So if you wanted to disable this, it won't be in the application if you just click on no here. The same way you can control the discount coupon, social media, show category. So literally almost entire features of the application. I'm just going to show you the wishlist option. All right. Wishlist, where you are. Okay, it should be here. All right, you can see now there is no such wishlist option. So the same way you can manage your features control right from the here advanced settings. Now CMS pages, all of your website CMS pages are automatically fetched in our module. So you just need to click it, select it, and save it. I could show you that our CMS page is right here, and you can see that about the terms and conditions, legal notice, delivery. So from this option, you can manage the CMS page as well. And from this option, you can manage the social media presence. Put your social media links here, and this will be populated right here and in the bottom of the application. Now see that user option. This is the user menu, right? Now, it's so interesting because we have integrated Google Analytics, and Google Analytics is a web analytics service we all know offered by Google that tracks and reports traffic. It's widely used in analytics, and it's available with MobiCommerce by default. So just put your analytics codes right here, click on Save button, that's it. Great. So now I'm going to show you a feature that can be the most productive feature for any merchant, because owing to the fact that it allows you to enter in your customer's device home, that is push notification. So with MobiCommerce, you don't just get a push notification, you get advanced push notification. Let me show you how. So right from this option, you can send push notification by device type like Android and iOS. You can also define the language of the push notification. From here you can choose actually the stored views, uh, like English, Hindi, many languages you might have configured in your backend, so you can choose those languages and push will go to the particular accordingly. And just put heading, message, and image, deep link that image. Now this is something very interesting because send to the group will allow you to send push notification to particular group like wholesaler, retailer, visitor, guest, customers. And if you choose, that push will go accordingly. And if you choose this option to specific customer, so even you can send push notification to any individual customer, just like here you can see these two options. So this is how easily you can manage the backend, because I would say it's so amazing and so easy to build and to manage your own mobile apps with MobiCommerce, because it's a built platform built inside the platform of PrestaShop to manage your app directly right here. So in a brief, let's see what you get when you are on a platform of MobiCommerce. All right. So when you are on a platform of MobiCommerce, you get fastest delivery of your application with a ready-to-publish service, live enterprise mobile app within just 48 hours, 100% synced app with your website. Remember, there is no middleware used. White label branding, because we do not use your app to market ourselves. You get fully customizable access without coding experience. You get easy to design homepage and category landing page. You get 30 days full free preview with your website. In just 15 minutes, you can set your own demo from your end. Before you make your final decision, you can preview MobiCommerce for 30 days free of cost. With this, by default, we offer more than 2,000 features. Right? So we cater our merchant with easy to understand plans and services. So if you are a PrestaShop store owner, if you want an app for Android and iOS, please do visit. We'll assist you and we'll build your app for your website for Android and iOS. If you are a business owner, if you just want an app, if you just wanted to start with mobile application directly through mCommerce platform, then we do have an option for app only system. If you are a business owner, if you wanted to start with full-fledged apps for Android and iOS with a website, beautiful website, then we do assist. We have an option where we build your website, your apps, and we offer you the complete turnkey solution, end-to-end solution for yourself. With this, we do offer a complete maintenance contract where we will be taking care of your application for the period of 1 year, and under that will fix your every bugs and any queries regarding supports will be covered there, and thus will keep your app fresh and updated always according to the latest trends and OS updates. Now I think let's jump into the most interesting part of this webinar, that is Q&A session, question and answer. I'm really much excited to hear your questions. So kindly use your attendees panel to post your questions now. You can use your attendees panel to post your questions, and I'll try to answer as much as possible questions right here. So you can post them now. All right, I got a one question, and the question is that how many push notifications I can send from your module. It's so easy. You can send unlimited push notification. There is no such restriction. You can send to your push notification to your customers unlimited. There are no such restrictions. Actually, I got a question that means the he's asking about the size, the size dimension of the image which can be used on the home page. So actually you can put your image, and app will automatically sync that image and will show you in that appropriate dimension. So you don't need to much worry about the dimension. Just upload your own image and app will sync it and will auto resize those images according to the mobile devices sizes and dimensions. I got another question, and the question is that how to market with your application actually. So I would say app is one of the most widely used platform, because it allows you to directly enter in your customer's device. So you can use push notification to send the marketing materials. You can use our homepage tool to design the beautify your homepage, so that you can at least attract your audience, your customers to that. And we have many features by default we offer, like you can also run app only discount, so that you can offer some specially app discount, so that it will be helpful to boost your business. I got another question, and from Michelle. She wants to know that my PrestaShop store has a modification to it that uses the JavaScript overlay text on the product images to show the customer what personalization of that item will look like. How would the mobile app handles this? So let me tell you, Michelle. I think you've done some modification in your PrestaShop. So app will automatically sync the complete default settings of all the PrestaShop. There are possibilities that by default the any additional things which you have done in your backend on your PrestaShop that won't directly reflect in your application, but please do note down your every points. You can directly share it, and we have our onboarding team that will assist you, and I'm sure they will provide you an app with these things so that no conflict will be there if you have used the JavaScript. So don't worry, please do contact us, and we'll fix this, and we'll give you an app which won't reflect with JavaScript overlay. Now Manoj wants to know the cost of the app. See, we have a very simple cost and plans in pricing actually. You can visit our website to get more details, but our costs are the one time and are valid for lifetime. You can it start from 1,000, and we have another plan as well. So from 1,000 to 2,000 we have a different plan, so you can choose your plan accordingly and you can get your app done. And the interesting question I got, and that is about how many payment gateway you support by default. We support by default many payment gateways like Paytm, PayPal, PayUmoney, and CC Avenue, many more. And any payment gateway can be easily integrated with MobiCommerce. All you need to make sure that payment gateway should be on your website in a live and in a working condition so that we can integrate it with the application. So payment gateway is not a much concern. It's a so easy thing which we can integrate any payment gateway with our app. Fine. So thank you very much for your questions, and I think I'm getting much questions. So what we'll do, we'll take a note of all of these questions. We'll well replied through email, and don't forget to send your feedback at info@mobicommerce.net. Please do visit our website www.mobicommerce.net, and you will receive a copy of this webinar on your registered email address. And if you also like to talk to our sales executive, feel free to visit our website. So thank you very much. Thank you again for joining this webinar. Thank you. Bye.